lantern's gone. Okay then. Oh dear.
Yeah, this thing rides a little rough.
It's always a fun time filming an elevator at a red roof. Not gonna lie though, I was hoping for... What the fuck is that startup? Jesus Christ, this thing runs like crap. I was hoping for a Schindler Haunting, but whatever. I think I definitely got a good enough fix of those today already. Are we even moving right now? You're kidding me. We've got to be doing like 25 to 50 feet per minute right now. Oh my god, we actually made it. Okay, there we go. Thank the gods. That's a new Otis plate on that. Alright, well, always an adventure there. Anyway.